Man way back oh.
Adom Sports number one.
Ya kan sana dia mienhia ohumia Eric me na na me tie wo no maba me ntwa picture me ni di mom anuane be bu je say ye be jeni pa ne yakotama yi de Annabelle they be also person who are Annabelle on the 1st of June you are a community 9 eti mienhia oti Havana they be na you are 5 na you na see mienhia say last year your batman no ne ade oh yeah na ade February mu yes the but we dey about the NDT yes say bia mienhia oti Havana ne job how Asa mienti sikwa no yakwa Ghana national teams no wonsam kakra na ya de shasia na 17 for na de bia ma bobu fiti last week Barca na 17 Cup of Nations bi Barca na zombi de na we show qualification for the AFCON proper na 17 de nti esa Ghana obibi ya yire ye ho ye pa na mama hu de like kinse na kan ya de Black Starlets and na tournament na jebo nya bedu e baso e the Lagos Sports Stadium enya sam keto ada this year this edition no e Cote d'Ivoire Benin na Ghana ye group A mu a ye hwe se betima kwa ni Nigeria Burkina Faso Niger wo mo so group B Togo hwe wan kona nya sam keto akra tournament ye maga catch up say ye hwe se betima qualify for the Africa Cup of Nations under 17 year in 2024 year ni etiase ye ye ho ne bo tournament and Ghana ye nyabre ye boy first match ye ne Ivory Coast ne bebo coach and the at like and the Manton Diabe 2 hours. Years on Betima Bochma now. Sen Manton ACT Michael Ama a Beza State FC Sasson Joseph Nabi so Benaba Aya Sports Academy Bilala Javi Ewa Banana in and a great Somas a player friend of Ernesto Forest Womo Aisdin Mohammed or still believe na Ebenezer Adolf Ago our man from Vision FC have a Bafa and so our Golden Strikers na Benjamin Hansen and so Atam the Visa Issa Abdurrafiu our Benabaya Sports and Afenshoro Samuel Kusi so Cedar Stars Academy Hamza Idris who Atam the Visa na Joshua Tete tour a Miracle Power Benjamin Chivanyo our Accra Great Olympics and Afenshoro Abdul Bakib Haruna and so Tamale Victory FC now Obe PM1 Abdullah Norte so great Pedria Football Academy and Mark Kagawa Mensa our Atam the Visa Godfrey Sapon I still believe na Prince Charles Samoa our Corners baby still floss ayama our third world na Ebenezer Anane ewa Benap FC Raymond name Rantia like Kinson Abomudin so near Moesha tournament Nasen against Cote d'Ivoire now Fred Achi management committee chairman Adman 17 Achi the Tuga say Omaniabre pa motivation here high. I want person motivate you mudin.
Bibia no wa me no request ya FA president Kegyiwa kuni ni penyo for anje pene. Mamka wa for na ba Ghana be if you home hotel Abuku hotel e dey hotel we East Legon. I think we're in the same hotel with Nigeria. Team they say no when you're comfortable more. The GFA has moved heaven and earth to move the team from there to a higher and a better and more comfortable hotel. Because you see a momo as some very bibia multimedia bono. I did be yes, also saying now we try to provide. So in terms of those areas, we are providing enough. And at time as I said, you discover it's already 16 years, 15 years, it's by this time. But whatever is needed for them, no, the GFA and the Ghana buying Ministry of Youth and Sports, they providing the amount. Team we know GFA new one Ghana buying new one and normally I say hey piano the fan the aka sankorano nyame don't believe
where your friend Achi one and somebody to dra na me malaya kasa ne say yeah, you can me there Chi can ba see omo here bia dey but squad me bobo din na bi say hey na players like say pani bia sadim ono na hwe players no e no twisi won e bi also nkrase no e wide so person we nkrase players bia wo eni akonya say won betima bankan kwa no timi ko form be kan na 17 ho
every single player there is me who chose my squad. You know, it wasn't easy at all from day one. I've been fighting, putting my feet down that, fine, if you recommend a player, I would like to see the player first. And if I feel the player can help the work that we are doing, why not? He's a Ghanaian. So I've fought for this, and trust me, every single player that you see in the squad now, it's my decision. It's my decision. I chose every player there. It wasn't easy though. It wasn't easy at all. I have to be honest. Raise my hand and say I have to be honest. But myself and the technical team, we've made it clear to everybody that every player that will play for the national team have to be on merit. Like I said, we have a very good player in the village somewhere that doesn't have anyone, that doesn't have anybody, because he doesn't have someone to lead him to play for the national team. His career and his ambition will finish there. No, for me, no. So I myself put my feet down and pick every single player in the current squad that we have.
Wayane and someone. Chairman, dear to dry, yes, like Kinsey now. So, Bia, on running Nessie, Okase player, we a good cry, or my best of a player answer. But tournament in a chassis and then also.
Where we are now, I'm very, very happy. I can't wait for us to start the tournament. I can't wait. It's a privilege to coach these boys, you know. It gives me goosebumps, especially when we started the trials. Our time is different, different approach. You can see my time, that time, the 100% effort that I put in. That now I'm the coach that I see these young boys giving the same thing. The way I was feeling that time and looking at them, I believe they're feeling more than what I felt that time, because you can see the anger in them. So for me, I think it's a privilege to people that is building this team. And so far, I think it's been amazing. You know, the boys have responded very, very well. It's different as a player. It's different from someone staying out. But what stood out is I've been there before. So most of the time, that's one thing that helps me and for me to have clear understanding about how they're feeling and all that. So I think it helps a lot. So for me, I think the level that we are in, all the boys, I believe in them. We have 20 players to represent Ghana. We're building a team, all-round team, that if this one is not there, the other one that comes in can fit in there.
Wayne, like it's and someone say, build an all-round team to wait in one way to me about and one summer and 17. I'm copying Black Stars are catching a fact 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. Don't from Amoba and Namobaya, and get to Accra, Ghana, Yanim Mali, and Yadi Ebeboni. Na the Aka Kora de Coach Otado Kikano, San Mali game no annual 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifier Group I. Ghana on the 6th of June, a bear yawoda. 6th of June, and a Ghana Mali Libe Pims Obamako. Na the Aka Kora de Aboni Din so many match Omar Amin Mohammed or if Egypt and the appointed and say Ghana, your match any Mali Bebo Obamakono, Omra no about Manabi Pia Sweet Timmy Enkuyi. Why a lawyer? I or a lawyer Nino was obedi more bor, and said, Wabe Bremwa, obedi bor near there. It's only and one summer ever. You could pay more club issues kaka, the Ampany 40 Banye on the 26th of May, and now 15th. Next week, about to be necessary. So then, that's 2 weeks. Next 2 weeks. Now 26 Sunday. Basso war Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium. I am a Tema Kumasa Sane Kodoko. Any accounts of folk and Penny 4 actually must have Basso Babayara on the 26th into Obian Channels of San Famayan. Already say Kodoko Tosu do our league table bonus of 40 points. And I also folk to sort of Dubako on 38 points after 29 games. As of folk next game, only Adriana Stars Nebo na Kodoko so and they become Chelsea so they are Pimso. And son of that game, a Basso Babayara Sports Stadium on the 26th. The best Sunday, we are 3. And also who are Semono. Na Yako Ashgold, Ashgold for William Sam, one some better, better, one some ya banning on team ne good yadi, and a doctor kwa from Pong. What in some way basta for one FNK Sassachale. I told the BRC, we are Betty Barry, Bebunsam. We are Betty Barry, Bebunsam, this all my soft on my stance. On my better Kakani FNK Sasse, Ashgold Bessan Babu.
And the young go to Santi at Sanse. And I said, another man be our pet MP or Boasi. Now almost be ahead, not even in San Fana to my friend. So the Banana here, they did some pressure. Then they said, Medibama, not German, negotiation, and I can send the Bamanti, you're panic attack. Then I have to do more.
Premier, a course so umpensuna, when who?
Me no more, business, risk management, whether profit or loss.
Well, Muyam from so, Ujitumsa.
Now they come in to I'll go there, Timor, as some wouldn't be a go one when we go now, Yame Studio, Yame, Obiano Horning and the Diabra, and now Bassoting and Ya, obey Frida. So, as good if you are going to into now we are praying that I'm going to banana putting any real pay into support session and my program.
Yo, Dr. Wakufrin Pong and watch them say as good best number back. They said your jet team in the movie for and change seminar on the Babani and was saying it. Yeah, back quite a pay now and Brighton and Chelsea Nebo, no Manchester United in Newcastle. Sorry, I promise. I know I'm already born. Already young boy. Adaguleno, small boy, and walk when he bought 2 matches. Now Vinicius Junior bought 2 goals now. Federico Valverde, I go near Panyam. Jude Bellingham born in 19th goal of the season, and Vinicius Junior born the 15th goal of the season. oh team we bo 19 we bo 15 we bo ya better now in league team ne more dey say ready Yankopon but Manchester and Newcastle United more bread they say Rafael Varane says in the corner here walk na say City winning you know say City abenya 88 points on top of the table Arsenal touch me no 86 and we are talking them lose you into Aston Villa about Champions League next season top 4 now confirm it City Arsenal Liverpool Aston Villa say I can't your league in here now City 88 Arsenal 86 now last match City airborne West Ham Arsenal bought Everton it's a City winning or one and one league or winning power but the Arsenal bomb pen is Arsenal no be share Everton no 89 no bomb pie say City be draw and that's obelusu City mass right here because City trade right City be 89 na Arsenal as well 89 Arsenal goes do the Arsenal be rest cry Everton be share more account because say 61 goals and City was 60 goals difference chaladene F-Pack ni be established upon say for the game but last day be able to mercy West Ham na Chelsea no Chelsea all break West Ham they all better than City no the City win last game now we our league you know fourth and see that EPN must be agent back to back 4 about why the Farmers League pay be kwa F-Pack be established right now want to next on DBS Industries Limited be board and so man free Cotton Chelsea on no monte so man no man fan ko free most man free MTN everywhere you go. My MTN app on is saying na you so. MTN is achiche phones. Meka so much cha. Just on the man we try to kra san person me chere. Now give us power capsules me madro. Give us GC mixture madro. Give us about mixture malaria. No way and one does the DNA some get go the drugstore or kwa so more give us. Come up now Betway for the love of the game Betway unya twankwa dia bediti makwe dia sia konkon ne sports page 1 at the ebre we ano kai at the nankasa ka Kegyiwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Boadi koso a ne tie dwa so nsem